Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: license active, Nessus reachable, and admin credentials ready. Next, navigate to Scans and click New Scan. This immediately begins the setup flow so you don't stall. Add your targets using single IPs, ranges, or sitter, and assign tags to keep scope clear. Then select an appropriate template, basic network scan for quick checks or advanced for credential depth testing. Once done, save so you can tune settings in the next step. You now configure specifics. Open the scan editor and set port scanning. Choose default, a custom list, or full TCP/UDP depending on risk. Make sure to add credentials for authenticated checks. Provide SSH keys, SMB, or Windows domain creds so Nessus can validate patch levels and config issues. Adjust performance limits such as max hosts per scanning engine and timeouts to avoid disrupting production. Also configure plugins and low-level TC. You trigger the scan and watch progress on the dashboard. Monitor CPU, memory, and network impact to ensure stability. Once complete, open the report and sort vulnerabilities by severity and exploitability so you focus on critical and high items first. Export CSV or PDF for stakeholders. Then assign remediation tasks, patch or reconfigure systems, and rescan affected hosts to confirm fixes. If results look inconsistent, one troubleshooting tip: check credential validity and reachability first, then rerun affected scans.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.